Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys step by step arbitrage opportunity trade. On this channel I've promised you guys to give you only quality video, nothing but that. So if this kind of video you are looking forward to, please kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. So let me get into this video. The app you are going to be using in this video is Binance and Paxful. So you need to deposit to this your account on Binance. You need to deposit Naira to your account. If you don't know how to deposit Naira, you will find this deposit button over here. You press deposit, and you press deposit, you press cash. Then you can search NGN, this Naira, press Naira. There's going to be link in the video description that show you how to deposit Naira into your Binance account directly. So make sure you check the description link. So after you follow the video and the link I share in the video description, then you'll be able to deposit money into your Binance account. Then I already have USDT and BUSDT on my account, so I don't need to deposit money again. In this video I'm using $71 $256, that equivalent of 56,000. So that's how much we are using in this video. Second thing you need to do is you need to buy BTC. You press search BTC, you press enter. Let me go back again. Cancel. I'm going to go with this option, press. Then I'm going to go to trade. I know this is going to have P2P buy. First thing you need to do, go back to this home button. Home. You'll be able to search the pair of BTC. You press BTC. It's going to bring the pair of token you can trade with. If you see over here, you have I have BNB and I have BUSDT. So I'm going to go with this second option over here. I'm going to press. So I'm going to go press buy. So after pressing buy, I'm just going to press this 100%. So we'll be receiving 0.00429. So that's how much we'll be receiving if you purchase worth of $71.15. That's how much BTC will be getting. I'm going to write this down, 0.00429. That's how much BTC will be getting. And I'm just going to use this market option for the market to place this order immediately. I'm just going to press 100% again. Then I'm going to press buy. After pressing buy, I'm going to come to this wallet over here. Press wallet. I'm going to refresh. As you can see, I've received the 0.00429 BTC. Next thing we are going to do now is send this BTC to Paxful. We need to go with this option, press this BTC over here, and press this withdraw. Send via crypto network, press the first option. After doing this, I'm going to need to input information on this place. I'm just going to minimize. No, I'm going to minimize this. Then go to this Paxful. Enter my PIN. I'm going to go with wallet over here. This option, wallet, and you come here. You see, I have 460 Naira. So I'm going to press this receive. I'm going to select Bitcoin. I'm going to copy this. Copy, you see, copy address successfully. I'm going to minimize again. Go back to Binance. I'm going to paste this over here. I'm going to select network. You already select the network automatic. So I'm going to pay $3.31. I'm going to write this down again. The transaction fee will be paying on this transaction. I'm going to press max. So I'm just going to press withdraw, then make another process like verification. So I'm not going to show that, but I'm going to continue with the video later. So as you can see, it says you need to confirm everything. Then I'm going to just press confirm, but I need to make another verification later. I'm not going to show that. I'll finally withdraw this money to my Paxful account. Then I'm just going to go to view history. So it's going to process the transaction. It said processing. So I'm going to pause this and continue later. You see, it has deducted this. It's going to deduct it. It's still processing. I'm going to come over here to Paxful. Then I'm going to wait for the money to reflect in my account. I'm going to wait. Now I've received the Bitcoin I transferred from Binance to Paxful account, my Paxful account. So I'm just going to go to this wallet. If you remember the other time, I have 460 naira. Now I'm having 53,689 naira. So as you can see, they deduct 3.31 cent worth of transaction fee. So that's going to be 2006 if my calculator is right. So if I calculate this right, I'm just going to make a final calculation later. Then I will come over here to this marketplace. Beside this wallet, press marketplace. As you can see, there are some people are willing to buy your BTC at 161% over the market price. So yeah, I think it's too risky and it's too good to be good. It's too much, so I'm just going to go with this button over here, trusted offer only. I'm going to press this. I've selected this trusted offer only, and there is this guy is willing to buy my BTC. Is willing to buy BTC at 23% over the market price. I'm just going to press with this guy and press max. So I'm going to sell all my BTC to this guy, and I'm going to be receiving, he said I will receive 66,235 naira. So if you remember, I start with 56,000 at the rate of 799 naira. So I used $71 to do this trade. That's when I'm just going to select my back account, then press sell now. So let me go to my calculator. As you can see over here, I will receive 66,235 naira over here if I sell my all BTC to this guy. Remember, I choose trusted offer only. So I start with $71 times 700. That's 56,726 naira. So then I I sent this Bitcoin I bought on Binance at 0.0429. I think, yes, 429. Then I received 53,000 plus on Paxful. They deduct 3.31 USDT for transaction fee times 977. They deduct 2,444 naira for transaction fee minus 6 no 2,644 minus 2,644 minus 2,644 minus 56,729. Technically, I have 33 plus on my Paxful. Then now I will be selling this worth of BTC on Paxful to, let me check the price, 63,200 minus 63,203. I'll be making a profit of 12,000. Let me count this 793 naira for some charges, your bank transfer in Nigeria. So we'll be getting 12,000 naira on this trade if you do this step by step. And be careful, don't just trade with any guy. You have to check the review, and then as this guy now, you have to check the review. He has 29 possible feedback. He has 0 negative. ID verification, address verify, email verify, phone number verify, average trade speed 5 minutes. So you need to check all this for you to be able to choose the good guy to trade with. So that's how you will be able to make this money with this pattern of trading. So if you like this, if you find value in this video, kindly subscribe to the channel and turn off the notification bell. So anytime I make a video on arbitrage opportunity, or I give you guys update on my channel, you won't miss any updates on my channel. Thank you for your time. Let me know what you think about this video at the comment section.